The interview prep, the confidence that she gained in those 2 years from somebody who was quite anxious and nervous sometimes in a school environment, she just thrived and blossomed. It was lovely to see, and it's carried her through into uni now.
Yeah, I'd say it's totally understandable to be nervous, but I think it's a fantastic step. You know, I think somewhere like Gower College Swansea is absolutely ideal for kind of setting you on the path to perhaps going off to university. You know, because you almost get forced to make new friends, new social circles, take that responsibility. It's kind of I think it's a fantastic intermediary step. I think the subjects that were on offer, the programmes, the additional programmes that were available, and the open evening just blew us away. I think, the facilities that were there, the staff that spoke to us, the students that we spoke to, we came away both wishing that we could go. Yeah, I think it was probably sitting in that science lab where they did the chemistry, I think. She was really just blown away by it.
It just felt another level.
Yeah.
I think when she didn't get the results that she wanted at the end of first year, which could have been a real knock for her and set her back, but she had lovely support from her lecturers, and they talked through kind of a plan of action with her, and it helped shape the following year for her, and she went on to get excellent results then at the end of her second year, which has led her to where she is today.
I decided to study at Gower College Swansea because I wanted to see if I could get a bit of a change before going to university. I wanted to try and get a jump in independence, and once I went to the open day, I was like, I'm definitely coming here, and I absolutely loved it, so I don't regret it at all. The teaching I had was fantastic. You could tell the teachers were really passionate about us doing well and understanding, and the science teachers, you could tell, loved that I loved it, and it was a passionate environment. I'm at Cardiff University doing medicine now, so hopefully going to end up being a paediatric doctor long term. If you're on the fence thinking about it, go to an open evening, talk to your teachers, look at the support, and I think if you're already on the fence, then it probably is the right thing to think about doing.